No, I don't care. Believe me.
It just shows people's stupidity.
Yeah.
What they'll pay.
Oh, man. $2,000.
They're rare, aren't they? Ricky had the 67, 327 side pile. I never seen one of these. Really?
What he did was he just assembled it.
You have to rest some good block.
I said back in them days they didn't need to because the road running is really in a road, you know. All right,
Oh, we got a beautiful Thunderbird. Red Thunderbird trying to get.
Work on that, man.
We had a park all over stadium.
I want to go to that show in
It was
April.
over 400 of them.
Yeah, I'm going to go to that show, the April show.
If you go in April, go early because it's our 6th anniversary.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
I would go next month, but I'll be out of town.
Oh, look at the Indian. That is an Indian, right? That's an eagle. No.
Where's y'all's umbrella?
What's that?
Where's your umbrella?
It's at the beach.
Yeah, Car Care 101.
Make sure you look at all the cars.